Great emphasis is placed on optimizing the consecutive actions that control the monopusher chronographs. This is a process called mise en fonction. The watchmaker actuates the start, stop and reset functions very slowly, while observing the reaction of the parts under a magnifying glass. The purpose is to check how the yokes and levers move during the first, second and third actuation of the monopusher to ensure optimum synchronicity. It requires the steady hand and the trained eye of the master watchmaker to combine the innumerable individual components and bring these unique timepieces to life. Any deviations must be carefully recorded and corrected by hand until the movement has found its rhythm and demonstrates a stoic regularity. It's a process which can last for days, but which is ultimately responsible for the movement's high quality and precision.
On se souviendra, pour un horloger, on se souviendra toujours de la première fois où on a mis son balancier sur n'importe quelle montre. Parce que quand on pose ce composant-là et qu'on voit le cœur de la montre qui commence à battre, c'est très important, oui.
Every Montblanc collection Villeret 1858 timepiece is nothing less than a mechanical work of art that redefines finissage and aesthetic appeal, even for the most discerning connoisseur. Each year, the ateliers will produce just a few hundred timepieces, which will undoubtedly be among the best examples produced in the world of fine watchmaking. Every watch is individually numbered, making it a cherished, unique and individual possession.
C'est quelque chose de très matériel, donc ça serait, j'aimerais pas vexer des gens à dire que c'est une âme, mais nous, on a travaillé avec l'âme et on est tellement persuadés que ce qu'on a fait, qu'on y a mis tellement de cœur, qu'une partie de notre cœur dans les montres. Donc nos montres, elles ont une âme.
The basic principle of the Institut Minerve de Recherche en Horlogerie is to safeguard the traditions of Swiss watchmaking, resulting in peerless haute horlogerie timepieces of a kind rarely found today.